In 1977, the Royal French Society of Medicine examined the studies on magnetic healing by a French abbot, named Lenoble. His report showed that the effects of magnetic treatments were so advantageous that they concluded that magnets would play a role as important in the practice and theory of medicine as the role that they were beginning to have in the field of experimental physics. At the same time, Franz Anton Mesmer maintained that the Sun, Moon and even the Earth possess subtle magnetic energy that can influence the human nervous system and provide the body with energy. Mesmer was convinced that the human being possessed a type of specific magnetism, that he called animal magnetism, in order to distinguish it from the iron filings of ferromagnetism. Although he was not understood during this era, studies completed in the last 30 years have shown striking similarities between the beneficial biological effects of the hands of a healer and therapeutic effects of magnets on living beings. Mesmer believed in the properties of magnets as a therapeutic remedy. Some 80 years later, the French chemist Louis Pasteur experienced how the process of fermentation went faster if he placed a magnet to a fermentation tub filled with fruit, like in the production of alcoholic drinks. At that same time, Samuel Hahnemann, creator of homeopathy, also experimented with magnets for therapeutic uses and ended up supporting the use of magnets to treat many health imbalances. The principal proponent of magnetic therapy during the second half of the 19th century was the Dr. C. Thatcher. This doctor explained that life energy comes from the magnetic force of the sun and that it is driven through blood due to its high iron contents. Approximately 1 century later, in 1954, Linus Pauling received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his discoveries of the magnetic properties of the hemoglobin, a substance present in blood containing iron.